river. Here there's a man, he's walking on the water. Come along with me. All I want to see is this man walking on the water. He can raise the dead from the grave and change the water and turn it into wine. He can make the lame walk. He can make the dumb talk. Open up the eyes of the blind. So let's all go down to the river. Here there's a man, he's walking on the water.
Keep going straight. Down past that black trailer.
And he's washing people's sins away. He can save your soul. You give him control and get ready for the judgment day. So let's all go down to the river.
Look at that. Look at that.
I want to see is this man walking on the water. To see the sea walker, the blind man healer, the leopard cleansing man from Galilee. To see the soul savior, the one who died for me. Take my hands and follow me. To see the sea walker, the blind man healer, the leopard cleansing man from Galilee. To see the soul savior, the one who died for me. Take my hand and follow me. So let's all go down to the river. Yes, there's a man, he's walking on the water. Come along with me. All I want to see is this man walking on the water. Man walking.
You're welcome. I feel nice and pleasant.
Oh, it feels good. Anyway, I did that for about 10 months, and then I had like 11 inmates that wanted to get baptized, and the sheriff got all upset about it.
It is. I like
said, you know,
pointing towards Jesus. And so he's like this little ember, like the fire last night, gonna pop you, right? It's just this little ember that's there telling us there was something bigger, right? Which was the active blaze that was going on in the fire. And so I think it's important enough for us to understand that when folks are drawn to this type of thing, I think we need to be able to recognize the fact that they're spiritually numb.